Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. To my new subscribers, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment. Turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much and I so much appreciate. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepare my delicious water leaf soup. Let's get started. For this recipe, I'm going to be using some fresh water leaf. Water leaf is an excellent source of calcium, iron, vitamin C. So next, I'm going ahead to pick the water leaf out from the stem. So I repeated this process until I am done picking them out, okay? Now we are done. Transfer in a big bowl. You want to make sure you wash it properly to remove any dirt or sand in it, okay? Rinse it like 2 to 3 times, as many times as you can, to make sure there is no trace of sand or dirt found in it, okay? You really have to take your time or be patient to wash your vegetables. So now look at the sand or dirt I got in there. So I repeated this process until they are properly cleaned. After washing the water leaf, the next step is very important because water leaf has this slimy texture when it is cooked, okay? So we're going to try to reduce that by washing it with some salt and cold water. Not hot water, please, okay? I repeated the washing for like 2 to 3 times. Yeah. So about the nutrients, don't worry. It still contains a lot in there. Yeah. So after the washing, I rinse it out and squeeze. As you can see here, we are done squeezing it out. So next, go ahead and slice or cut to your desired size. Once that is done, set it aside. We are done prepping the vegetables and let the cooking begin. In a clean pot, add in your protein of your choice. So I'm using goat meat. Add in some stockfish, season with some onions, some salt, season cubes. Stir around, cover and let it cook on its own juice for about 10 to 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, we are checking on the pot, stir it around, top it up with some water to the level of the meat in the pot. So at this point, we are going to be adding in the red palm oil. Cover the pot and bring to a boil. Some minutes later, check on the pot. As you can see, it is now boiling. Now give it a stir. Add in some Achi powder. This serves as thickener. You can use cocoyam or any thickener of your choice. Now add in your uziza powder, but this is optional. Add some crayfish to your desired taste or quantity. Add some fresh pepper, adjust to your taste. add in the ogiri known as fermented locust beans. Without ogiri, waiting you gain. Okay, we'll add in the seasoning cubes, stir around. Cover the pot and let it cook on a high heat until it thickens to your desired consistency. Okay? Some minutes later, we are checking on the pot. Now, as you can see, the soup is well thickened. You can as well add some achi to it if it is too watering, but I want my light. Now go ahead and add in the grilled mackerel fish. This is optional. You can use any fish of your choice. So next, add in the water leaf and mix until it is well combined. Once done mixing, cover the pot and let it cook for like 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, stir it around, turn off the cooker. Our delicious water leaf soup is ready. It tasted so super yummy-licious and delicious. After trying out this recipe, you will never take your head off it. Oh yes. Enjoy with any swallow of your choice. I will be dropping the full list of ingredients in the description box below. Hope you find this delicious recipe helpful. Thank you all for watching and see you in my next one. Remain blessed. Bye.